Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by selecting 18 to 24 inches of floss and winding it around your middle fingers. This gives control and fresh segments. Hold a 1 to 2 inch working length between your thumbs and forefingers. Once positioned, guide the floss between two teeth with a gentle sawing motion to avoid snapping. Make sure to stop when you reach the gum line. The goal is to reach just under the contact point without forcing. This first step sets up safe, effective cleaning for every gap. Once the floss reaches the gum line, curve it into a C shape hugging one tooth surface. This ensures you clean the side of the tooth, not just between teeth. Then, move the floss gently up and down 3 to 5 times to dislodge plaque and debris. Make sure you also repeat the C motion on the adjacent tooth side. After cleaning one contact, unwind a clean segment from the stored length so you always use a fresh section for the next interdental space. To finish, rinse your mouth and check mirror to confirm no debris left. Some light bleeding can occur initially but should subside. If the floss keeps fraying or snapping, switch to waxed floss or a whiter dental tape and work more slowly with a sawing motion. Make sure to be gentle at the gum line. Force causes damage. If pain or heavy bleeding continues after a week, contact your dentist for an exam because persistent issues could indicate gum disease or other concerns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.